Make yourself comfortable. Become aware of your breathing. You can return to the chair and where your eyes look up while your eyelids get heavy. And they get so heavy that they want to close. Allow them to close while your eyeballs are looking up still. Just feel like you're laid back, comfortable, and so relaxed. 10. Getting deeper and deeper, more relaxed as with each breath. 9. As you exhale, your body becomes more and more relaxed, and you remember the light streaming in from the top of your head, feeling the energy around you about 9 feet from your center all the way around. This beautiful golden light fills your energy system, going into your brain, through your eyes, all the nerves in your eyes, all the cells in your eyes, to your pituitary, pineal gland, hypothalamus. Notice how nerves crisscross, make connections. Just imagine that this beautiful golden light goes all the way to the center of every bone, every muscle, every cell in your body, into even the marrow of your bones, where it lightens up and lightens your stem cells, which are the blueprint for your most perfect body. It's the memory of your original intention for your body. Just imagine that these stem cells are waking up in the muscles, in the marrow of your bones, in your heart, in your brain. These stem cells are becoming awake. Because in this cell, your DNA, your unwounded DNA, you are a star. You came here to be a star. Allow this image of a stem cell, whatever it is in your mind, just allow the most random memory of your genetic code and sequencing before it was wounded by the toxins of this world, the mental toxins, the emotional toxins, and the physical toxins. Just allow the most real, original intention of your physical body to be manifest, releasing gently and easily any toxic thoughts, any toxic emotions. Just imagine that you just flush them down. Your grounding. Grounding goes all the way down to the center of the earth. And in response, you feel the earth energy coming back up into your body, filling you with a sense of belonging on this planet in these intense times, because you're meant to make changes in this world, changes in your own self and your own body. 10. Going deeper and deeper down. 9. Into the marrow of your cells. 8. 7. Wherever your attention goes, Your energy flows. I don't know who said that, but I love that line. 7, going deeper and deeper down. 6. Breathing, deeply relax. 5. Your body feels a sense of heaviness and a sense of expanse at the same time. 4. Deeper and deeper down. 3. 2. 1. Very relaxed. Imagine that your DNA is a light sequencing force, and that instead of having 3 strands, it has 12 strands of information. Information of the new human, information of who you are as a spiritual, multi-dimensional being, able to transurf through different realities via your mental imagination. So today we're going to go deeply, deeply into your original intentions. As you created your body, just realize that any toxicities are actually lessons. And these lessons can be absorbed. The pain and injury that has been concluded can be let go of. When we have some sort of pain, whether it's emotional or physical, we'll tighten up and try not to feel it. And just pretend that you don't have to feel it anymore. You can just let go the intensity, just dial it down so that the beauty of the knowledge that you gained from this lesson is given to you like a drop of the most fragrant perfume, like an essential oil being extracted from a whole plant. Just ease up on this holding patterns and be aware in your body where you've been holding these patterns, afraid of feeling these pains that you've allowed into your life. With every breath, and you're letting it go. Now pretend that you're entering the bucket of a hot air balloon, and you climb up into the comfortable seat, and you feel kind of this movement as you climb up. And the fans are on, and you have a pulley that you can pull, and the jets go off, and the balloon starts rising. You realize that it's still tethered to the ground, and you just have a big knot to untie, and you start to untie it, and it comes undone so easily. You didn't even imagine that this big old knot could be untied so easily and effortlessly. The balloon starts floating up, and then it just kind of stops about 5 feet off the ground, and you realize that you have some weights in it, some big old stones, and these stones represent old opinions and old decisions about the pain that you received and the pain itself. So you just lift, it's so heavy, but you lift them out and you throw them off. Balloon starts taking off into the beautiful clouds, up, up, up. It starts getting into the sun. It doesn't burn you. It just feels so good to be infused with this energy of the sun and the information that you've been needing to transform your life is being absorbed into your subconscious mind as you release permanently this pain and the opinions of the pain. That there's this essence of the lesson that you learned, and it is good. And you enter the sun, and all the information of the sun is just being absorbed into your very soul. You move through the portal of the sun on and on and on into the infinite field, the unifying field of the whole universes, the whole creation. And it feels so good. Realize that you can enter this little place. Some might call it the Akashic Records, some might call it the space of variabilities. It's like a big library. You can mock it up as a big library or whatever you want. Realize you can get any information you've been seeking, any information that will help you feel whole. Any mutations in your cell's DNA you can repair by bringing into the original intention and bring all your whole body into present time. You are a star, and see that. You can actually see where you are in the universe as a star in this state of the Akashic Record. Feel that grandness of who you are, the bigness, not from self-importance, but the truth that you can be the director, the co-producer of the play of your life. Just allow this feeling of greatness and an understanding that all people have this greatness that is manifest in a different world, in a different way, and that we're all making our way through these pendulums and these programmings and this toxicity to become our great self, the star that we actually are. Bring this information back into your body as you float on down, back through the sun, in a gentle, easy manner, like you're being carried on angels' wings. Down, down, back to your body, coming in that golden rainbow, continuous golden rainbow energy, feeling the continuous earth energy melding together. Your energy to create who you are and your ability to create your life exactly the way you intend to create it, easily and effortlessly. Deep breath. As you come into your body, you feel like you've been on vacation for 2 weeks. You feel so relaxed. You feel like you've been laughing. You feel like you've been crying. You feel happy and joy and infused and ready to take on your day or your night. Ready to be fully in this body. I feel the healing is just taking place, and you will be continuing in a gentle and easy and effortless manner, because that's the way energy works. It's not by force. Your soul works in images, symbols, and it can co-create with your body many wonderful things by choosing what you focus on, by creating your own reality, by being the master of the helm of your boat. Now remember to ground and anchor this meditation with your thumb and your index finger. Do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you're back with the knowledge of your subconscious mind of who you are as a soul.